Well, you kids want to see something really cool? Check this out.
You know, we've all been through a lot these past several months. We've shut down and people have lost their businesses, lost their livelihoods. I also own a small business. I sell weed.
People are hurting. People are dying, Randy. And all you can think about is making a special about it?
I'm doing something positive to try and help. People really need this right now.
Come on down South Park and meet some friends of mine.
You're supposed to wear your mask over your nose. Looks like you're wearing a diaper for your chin. Chin diapers don't help. There's no real proof that a mask even does anything. Spoken like a true redneck. I'm sorry, I thought this was fair.
Come on down South Park and meet some friends of mine.
Do you even know anyone personally who's dying of COVID?
Yes, my brother Jimbo, who is in the hospital.
Jimbo's a fat alcoholic who'd be in the hospital anyway. All I'm saying is that we can't let some dirty virus from China completely upend our lives and shut us down. I know what China's like. Doesn't surprise me all this shit came from there.
Come on down South Park and meet some friends of mine.